everyone, welcome to Hello Friends Chemistry channel. In this video I am going to talk about relation between Kp and Kc. In my previous class I am going to talk about what is the law of mass action. Law of mass action says that the equilibrium constant Ke equal to active mass of products raised to the power of stoichiometric coefficient by active mass of reactants. This is the concept of the equilibrium constant, says that law of mass action. But in this video I am going to talk about what is the relation between Kc and Kp. First of all, you know that what is Kp and Kc. Equilibrium constant Ke is two types. One is Kc and another one is Kp. Friends, equilibrium constants two types. One is Kc and one is Kp. What is Kc? Kc is the active mass. This is active mass. The active mass in terms of concentration, its number of moles per volume, it means molarity. By using the Kc, that is called as concentration term C. But you know that Kp, what is Kp? The active mass when the active mass in terms of partial pressure, friends, in terms of partial pressure by using the Kp. What is Kp? Kp is the like this. This is the partial pressure Kp, this is the active mass Kc, and this is the Kp. These are the Kp and Kc. You know that in ideal gas PV is equal to nRT and P is directly P equal to N by V into RT. Friends, P is directly proportional to the N by V. It means P is directly proportional to the N by V because of the R is a real gas constant, this is constant, and T is the given reaction at given temperature, this is also constant, and P is directly proportional to the N by V. N by V is also called as concentration and P is directly proportional to the C. This is the P and C is partial pressure is directly proportional to the concentration. This is clear, friends. Now I am talking about a relation between Kc and Kp. My name is Uma Shankar. Start this section. See this board. Friends, relation between Kp and Kc. First of all, you have to consider a general reaction. The general reaction is the A of A plus B of B gives C of C plus D of D. This is the general reaction, friends. This is gas state and gases and gaseous states, gaseous medium, friends. What happened there? Now in equilibrium constant Ke equal to active mass of products by active mass of reactants. Friends, active mass of products C raised to the power of C, the subscript is the present in there, and D raised to the power of D by A raised to the power of A and B raised to the power of B. This is the equilibrium constant, is the active mass of products by active mass of reactants. This is clear, friends. Now you know that what is Kc. Kc is the concentration term. It means the concentration of the active mass. It's represented to this symbol, friends. This is the concentration, sir. C raised to the power of C concentration of C raised to the power of the stoichiometric coefficient C, and concentration term of D raised to the power of D by concentration of A raised to the power of stoichiometric coefficient A and concentration of B raised to the power of stoichiometric coefficient B. This is the Kc, friends. Kc is the concentration of products is raised to the power of stoichiometric coefficient by the concentration of reactants raised to the power of stoichiometric coefficient. This is the Kc and this is equilibrium constant K. Now we have to find out the what is Kp. Kp is the, friends, Kp is the molar, friends, Kp is the partial pressure. You know that this is the equilibrium constant. Now we have to find out the Kp. Kp is the partial pressure of products raised to the power of stoichiometric coefficient by partially pressure of reactants raised to the power of stoichiometric coefficient. Friends, you know that the products is the partial pressure is represented to the like this P partial pressure of C raised to the power of C and partial pressure of D raised to the power of D by partially pressure of A raised to the power of A and partially pressure of B raised to the power of B. This is the Kp, friends. This is Kc and this is equilibrium constant. This is the partial pressure. This is called as concentration term. This is clear, friends. Now what is the relation between the Kp and Kc? Friends, you know that PV is equal to nRT. Already you know that. What is, friends? PV equal to nRT for ideal gas. What happened? P equal to N by V into RT. Now P equal to N by V is also called as number of moles per volume, is also called as molarity. Molarity is represented to the concentration. Now this is C RT. PV is equal to C RT, but this is the partial pressure. What happened there? Kp is equal to, this is the P. What happened is C of C RT raised to the power of C into C of D RT power of D by C of A RT power of raised to the power of stoichiometric coefficient A and C of B RT power of raised to the power of B. This is the present in P is equal to C RT. Now what happened? Kp is equal to C of C is the concentration terms. Now concentration term is the C of C raised to the power of C and RT power of C. And this is the concentration term CD raised to the power of D and RT power of D, and as well as the C of A concentration term A RT power of A and C of D C of B raised to the power of concentration term B and RT power of B. You know that, friends, Cp equal to concentration term C of C raised to the power of C and C of D raised to the power of D and C of A raised to the power of A and C of B raised to the power of B into, this is the RT power of C into RT power of D is also called as RT power of C plus D by RT power of A plus B. This is the products and this is the reactants. Now Kp is equal to Kc. This is Kp is equal to, these are the concentration terms of products by concentrations of terms of the reactants raised to the power of stoichiometric coefficient is also called as Kc. Now Kp equal to Kc into RT into C plus D by RT into A plus B. Now what happened, friends? This is the gaseous molecules of products. This is gaseous molecules of reactants. Now in gaseous molecules of products minus gaseous molecules of reactants is called as delta Ng is equal to number of gaseous molecules of products minus number of gaseous molecules of reactants. This called as delta Ng. In this case, C plus D is also called as the gaseous molecules of products and A plus B is called as the gaseous molecules of reactants. So what happened? RT power of C plus D into A plus C plus D minus A plus B is also called as delta Ng. This Kp is equal to Kc into RT delta power RT whole power of delta Ng is also called as relation between the Kp and Kc. This is the used for the so many competitive exams. Now you have to find out the what is the Kp and Kc and delta Ng values in some examples. This is clear, friends. Friends, first example is N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. This is gases and gases and gases. So what is the relation? Kp is equal to Kc into RT power of delta Ng. Now delta Ng equal to number of moles of gaseous molecules of products minus number of gaseous molecules of reactants. This is the concept. Now what is the Kp? Kp is equal to, in this reaction, Kp equal to Kc into RT power of delta Ng. What is delta Ng, friends? Number of gases molecules of products minus number of gases molecules of reactants. In this case, in this example, number of gases molecules of products is 2 and number of gases molecules of reactants is 4. What happened? This is the 2 minus 4. What happened? Kp equal to Kc into RT power of minus 2. What happened there? In this expression, what happened there? Kp equal to Kc by RT square. In this case, Kp is less than Kc. This is the present in this example. And next example is the H2 plus I2. This is gas and gas gives 2Hi. This is gas. What is the Kp minus? Kp equal to Kc into RT power of 2 minus. This is the relation between this equation. What is, friends? Kp equal to Kc into RT power of number of gases molecules of products minus number of gases molecules of reactants. Friends, in this example, gases molecules of products is 2 minus gases molecules of reactants is 2. Now what happened? Kp equal to Kc present in there. Because of the RT power of 2 minus 2 is called as 0. RT power of 0 is also called as 1. 1 into Kc is Kc. In this case, delta Ng value is 0 when Kp equal to Kc is present in the expression. This is second example, and third example is the N2O4 gas gives 2NO2 gas. Now in this case, what happened there? Kp equal to Kc. Friends, Kp equal to Kc into RT power of number of gases molecules of products minus number of gases molecules of reactants. In this expression, number of gases molecules of products is 2 and number of gases molecules of reactants is 1, and 2 minus 1. What happened? Kp equal to Kc. RT power of 1 is present in. Now in this expression, Kp is greater than Kc. This expression is present in there. This is the concept of the relation between Kp and Kc. These are the example. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.